Hello, my name is Luisa. This is my first YouTube video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make hazelnut chocolate cookies. These are the ingredients we need. 1/3 of a cup of baking cacao, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 1/3 cup of hazelnuts, 2 sticks of butter, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 3 egg yolks. For the filling we need 7 ounces of a hazelnut spread or praline and 3 ounces of chocolate. So first what we need to do is cutting the hazelnuts. Instead of cutting the hazelnuts by hand, you can also put them in a food processor. And we're gonna put the hazelnuts in the pan and roast them without any additional fat to brown them a little bit. You're gonna stir them and you're gonna smell the hazelnut flavor, and don't let them burn. So this is how it should look like after 3 minutes in the pan. Now we're ready to put all the ingredients in our bowl and mix the dough. So first we're gonna put all the dry ingredients inside the bowl. So we're gonna take our flour, the baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, powdered sugar, hazelnuts, and cacao powder. We stir it all together, and then we're gonna add the rest. The butter, vanilla extract, and 3 egg yolks. Okay, and then we mix the dough. So after everything is evenly combined, we're gonna put some flour on the table and roll out our dough. Always make sure that you have enough flour underneath the dough that it doesn't get stuck to the table. You're done rolling it out if it's pretty thin. Then we can start cutting out our cookies. Since you're making double cookies, make sure that you have an even number of the same shape of the cookies. After you cut out all the cookies that you want, you're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 minutes. After baking the cookies, you have to let them cool down for a few minutes. Now we're gonna prepare the filling. For the filling we need to melt the chocolate. So put the chocolate in a Ziploc bag and place it in hot water. When it is melted, take it out of the water and add the hazelnut spread to the chocolate. Then mix it all together. And for the final step, we're gonna fill the cookies. So now that the cookies are ready, we're gonna decorate them. For that part, I melted some more chocolate in a small bag, and I'm just gonna sprinkle thin lines over the cookies. Now the cookies are ready to be eaten. If you wanna try them, I will be giving those cookies to the first 3 comments down below. If you're one of those people, I'm gonna send you some cookies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna see you next week. And remember, baking is happiness.